Once again, thanks everyone for joining us this morning. We really value your time, and we'll make sure this webinar is informative and concise as possible to make the best use of your time this morning. Like Manish said, my name is Shri. I'm the Director of Business Development here at Knowledge Matrix. We'll talk a little more about Knowledge Matrix in a minute, but in my role here, I work with all of our current customers in the North American region. What we're going to talk about today. So these are some of the items that we'll be discussing this morning. We'll allow more time to the more important topics, and we'll also really touch on the others. And we're going to talk in detail about the manufacturing industry as a whole, the way a lot of the business operates today, and which leads to some of the pain points and complexities. And then we'll move on to how business processes can be improved with the right mix of technology and solutions. And finally, we're going to talk about how Knowledge Matrix and our solution can make a difference in the way manufacturing can benefit and how we can really help you. Now, talking a little bit about Knowledge Matrix itself. So we are a company that has been in business for almost 9 years at this point. For North American region, we are headquartered in California, and we have our offshore development centers in the city of Hyderabad in India. We are part of a 30-year-old group, which is a 600 million conglomerate called the Couple Group, and originally we were founded to cater to the needs of the various businesses that's part of the group. At this point, we are an ISO certified company for our quality in management systems, and we have over 100 customers worldwide. Within North America itself, we have about 40 customers for whom we have developed various solutions, and across various industry verticals such as manufacturing, energy, utility, technology companies, transportation, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, and so on. So over the many years that we have been in business, we have had very successful engagements with our customers, not just in North America, but across the world itself. What we cater mostly to is to addressing the specific needs of our customers from a business standpoint as well as from an industry standpoint, all the while maintaining the highest amount of quality and the standards that are required for those industries to function efficiently. So that's a little bit of our history. And moving on, let's talk about what's more important for you. So how is a manufacturing industry different from the rest? Of course, manufacturing industry or manufacturing businesses obviously make things or make tangible goods, but it's not just that. But manufacturing industries need to take care of a lot more things like production facilities. Think about how integrated your various divisions are. You need to think about the efficiencies of your processes and raw materials, and need to monitor market trends and do production analysis and planning according to that, and so on and so forth. And also you need to take care of your external contributors to your business, like your vendors and other partners. So all of these various different activities make a manufacturing business quite different, and also adds to the complexities in running a business efficiently. So the more moving parts you have, the more the need to combine and make it more efficient and integrated is. So that's what we're going to talk about and address today. So what all of those complexities really lead to, or what these different components or the different parts of your business lead to, is the complexities or the pain areas that manufacturing businesses face. So what are these pain areas that we need to address? So the typical complexity in your business that you're facing today is that there's a lot of information that the business requires to function efficiently. We mentioned earlier there are these different components that come into being this one whole business unit, and there's information, whatever little piece of information it is, there's a lot of information that resides in all of these different, different parts or different components that constitute your business. So the typical way this information is actually managed is with a variety of software packages. That's been the traditional way of doing things. And an example would be that you have an accounting software that takes care of all of your accounting and financial capabilities, like your accounts receivables, payables, your general ledger, and so on and so forth. And then maybe a separate one to manage your sales and your order management or your customer information and tasks and contacts, like your CRM, for example. and maybe an entirely different system to manage your inventory. And in some cases, there could be a separate system that manages your back office functions, and then there's a lot of other cases where we have seen that data sitting in even Excel sheets and in notepads even. So the challenge is that all of these informations, or all of these are different individual applications or software packages that have their own different structures and formats, and there is no single place or no one single place where you can get a consolidated view or get the consolidated information about your business. Now, along with that, there are other aspects, including not having an industry-wide standardized solution, perhaps, that can be adopted across the industry, and or giving representation to your vendors and partners, and also not having a solution that can simply manage the unique needs of your manufacturing business. There's a lot of bigger issues or bigger solutions that are out there, which will probably help you do all of these. But then what you're going to see yourself in is a big licensing tangle as well. So none of these situations, not having enough access to all of these systems or not having a consolidated view of your organization or your business is contributing to the fact that your business is not transparent. You're not getting the right information as and when you need it from the various systems that you have, which definitely is going to directly affect the transparency that your business is running on. So this is that situation, the current scenario. So it's going to how it looks like with multiple departments using disparate systems to run their operations. So as you can see, this just adds to the complexity, and these solutions simply do not talk to each other. Think about generating an intelligent report out of this kind of a situation. Which system are you going to go to get that information? In your business, or any business for that matter, actually, what you need is to manage your business and not manage the various software that run your business. So having multiple applications like this will only add to the complexity that already exists, and then also adds to other complexities like having to have a different operating systems for all of these different software programs, or having different database licenses for the software to run on. And then think about individual implementation cycles for each one of these costly software applications, which can be very cost prohibitive in terms of what should be automated within your business. And remember, folks, one thing, that the more automation you have in your business, the more integration you get, and the more integration you get, the more transparent your business becomes. So what we're going to talk about today is how you can come out of this situation and get to a business world which is a lot more integrated. So what is the importance of integration, or what is the importance of an integrated solution? Basically, instead of dealing with all of these complexities that are part of a multiple system situation, which you saw in the previous screen, what you need is an application that runs your business for you. You need a system that is easy to manage, and one that every department within your business can use when they need it, and only as much as they need it. So you need a system that helps you set best practices and standards for each one of your individual departments and divisions within the company. You need a system that gives you the required information through very easy and straightforward reporting processes and user interfaces. A system that is that gives you a holistic view of your organization at all times through integrated reporting structures. The only way you can achieve this is by limiting yourselves from using multiple systems and integrate your entire business into an application that helps you run it. So, like I said earlier, the more complexities come as part of having multiple systems. So as long as you can get those integrated into a single system, that reduces the complexity and integrates your business and improve the transparency that your business runs on. Now, that's definitely the ideal situation. But one thing that we all need to keep in mind is how secure is your data, or how secure is your company's critical information. So one of the first things that you need to be able to provide access, access to information for people who need it. So what this also means is limiting access to information for people who who do not need them. It goes hand in hand. So you obviously have to give access to information for the people who work on certain aspects of certain parts of your business, but at the same time, you need to make sure that you are limiting access to information to others who do not really need that. So the system that runs your business should be able to control your rights and access to information at various levels. So what I mean by various levels is access rights, controls at modular as well as screens level, and what type of functions each user or a role that performs those functions have within your ERP system. Now, you can have various bells and whistles in the system, but the key is how you define it and how the system helps you implement it. At the same time, maintaining the level of transparency across the board. So as an administrator, you should be able to easily define roles and user controls and rights and manage those user controls and rights and permissions within the system and make sure critical information or data is not compromised at any point in time. So that's the one thing that every ERP implementation or every business needs to keep in mind when you're implementing a company-wide application like an ERP. Now, talking about ERP, let's talk about the benefits of an ERP. We have heard the terminology ERP across the board. I mean, every company that has something to do with the business information system claims to be an ERP. But what really an ERP is, it stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So it's an enterprise-wide application. You're talking about planning the resources that constitutes your enterprise. You have to manage every aspect of your business that comes into your operational requirements on a daily basis, and how you manage and plan those resources is what an ERP really does. So the ERP system have been around for a while, but when it comes but we still come across businesses who do not adopt these technology solutions. Here we are referring to an ERP as an integrated solution, and clearly there are several benefits, much more than what we can include probably in a slide. So if you do nothing else, one of the greatest things about an ERP is that it brings all the information about your business in one place. We talked about the challenge in running multiple systems and trying to integrate all of these information, and you still do not have a complete picture, or you still do not know what your current position is at any point in time. The problem is that all of these information that are still sitting in different systems and maybe in some spreadsheets, you cannot run your company efficiently in that kind of a situation. So an integrated ERP system streamlines your business processes, helps you optimize your resources, and brings visibility into various departments, improves efficiencies, and helps faster decision making, and in the process, you most of the time will save money and improve your profitability as well. So these are some of the benefits that you should be looking at when you're talking about an ERP. Now, when you're talking about an ERP, one of the things that you're definitely going to address is what are the vulnerable areas in your business, and what are the possibilities, or how is your revenue going out as a leakage, or how do you prevent those leakages within your system. So like in the case with every business, manufacturing companies also have areas in their businesses that are vulnerable and are not addressed directly. Now these can include various touch points like your customers, or areas where your customers, your inventory, and your vendors, and all of these are involved and is left unattended. They can directly result in your bottom line performance. So with standard processes built into a system like an ERP, what you can do is you can eliminate these situations to a large extent. For example, the entire sales process from quote to invoice can be integrated into a single system. Availability to check physical inventory and make adjustments to the numbers in the system can keep your inventory accurate at all times, and that results in your costing. And finally, streamlining your vendor payments and purchase orders from purchase orders to payments streamlined into a single system can make that process pretty straightforward and integrated. So an ERP system or an ERP application with an integrated approach can help you achieve these goals and make your business less vulnerable to situations that are unfortunately left unattended. So that talks a little bit about what an integrated system can do and how an ERP can help and benefit. Now let's talk about how Knowledge Matrix can help as an organization. So at this point, I hope we have covered how useful an information, or how useful information is, and now let me move on to what we can do as a company. As I mentioned earlier, Knowledge Matrix has been serving our customers for a long time, and we take a lot of pride in the solutions that we have built for our customers. Now, what we do for our manufacturing business is to provide an integrated enterprise-wide application that will not just address your current needs, but also will set you in a path of growth. We looked at the challenges and the pain points. Our manufacturing ERP is a result of the several years of research and development in the industry, its processes, and how these challenges or the pain points can be addressed using technology solutions. So we bring your manufacturing business together into a tightly integrated and easy-to-use environment, which also brings a lot of flexibility to access your information from any devices. It's not just the computer, it also is your mobile devices like your smartphones or your tablets. All of our manufacturing ERP system is a web-based system that can be accessed via your internet browser. And this is also a modular system that can be customized to fit your unique needs, and at the same time not burden your users with what they do not need to access or what they do not need to run in their daily day-to-day activities and tasks. So this is a very easy-to-use integrated system called Evolva that we present to you, where all of your manufacturing business functions can come together as part of a single system. But in an effort to address the needs of the industry in the best and most efficient way, what we have done is we have included all the key features that the industry needs or the manufacturing industry needs, and then can further be customized to fit specific needs of each businesses. No matter which industry you are, even if you are in the same industry, different businesses function in their own unique different ways. So in order to cater to that, what we have done is we have created the system that can fit up to 90% or 90 to 95% actually of a manufacturing industry, and then whatever is beyond that is what the uniqueness of your particular individual businesses. That can be customized further to make sure it meets your needs 100%. So starting from inventory control and production and sales and purchasing, fixed assets and human resources, this solution actually brings to you all of these various departments into a single cohesive system. And as business owners, getting the information you need is completely effortless. You not need to depend on your IT department or your MIS department to put together reports for you from these various other systems, which might be the case today. What you will have is you will have access to all of that information, all of that data from your own business right at your fingertips using our system. Now, going specifically to how Evolva as a solution can help, as I mentioned earlier, it's designed to meet the needs of manufacturing businesses. Going back into a little bit of a history, the way we started designing the system is when we came across some businesses in the manufacturing industry who had spent a lot of time researching products that are out there, and they could not find something that really fit their needs. Either they had problems with the features or functions of it, where the solution would force them to change the business processes that they have been following for several years. Or they had a problem with the system where it refused to transfer or migrate the historical data into the new system. So no matter what the problem was, they were finding it completely unacceptable to go with any of the systems that they had access to out there in the market. And that's when we started looking at how a manufacturing industry functions, and then started building the solution to address those specific needs. So it was designed to meet the needs of the manufacturing industry, and it was also developed using the experience working with the manufacturing industry. I mean, it's not just the ERP. We have worked at various levels in designing custom applications as well for various manufacturing businesses. So that experience has really benefited in us understanding the needs of the industry and then creating a solution that met those needs. So this is a tightly integrated solution that brings all of your functions into a single integrated environment. And it's also a customizable solution. I said earlier, if you have unique needs that need to be taken care of, we can do that. And it also, there's a lot of inbuilt reporting that comes as part of the system, and then can also provide further customizations to reports that you need, and that option is already there in the system. It reduces manual processes with seamless data integration between functions, which will also eliminate possibilities of human errors. We all know that the more human intervention is required in processing data, the more likely there are chances that there can be a human error. So the seamless nature of the system, where different functions or different departments, and it reduces the re-entry or redundancy of data, and that reduces the human errors as well. And finally, it's very easy to use, and the interfaces we have designed in such a way that it's very easy to use, and the learning curve in somebody being able to use the system proficiently is very minimal, and that obviously improves the efficiencies of the users of Evolva as well. So with that, let's take a look at some of the screenshots from the system. Obviously, we're not going to be able to do a full-fledged demo of the application in a session like this, and we'd be more than glad to schedule individual demonstrations of the entire application for you on a one-on-one basis. But for now, let's take a look at some of the screenshots. So this is one of the screens which helps you manage users. So it's primarily an admin screen where the administrator gets to pick a role and select an employee ID and create a username and password and things like that for the individual users of the system. As you can see that on the left-hand side, you'll see the various different functions that are part of the system, this is a very tightly integrated system, like I said, and all of those different functions in your organization come together in the system. This is a simple purchasing screen. This is where you make a request for purchase, and which will eventually lead into a purchase order that you'll be sending to your vendor. So you can have your vendor codes. You can pick a vendor from here, and the bottom part of the screen is where you're going to list all of the line items that you'll be including in your purchase order for the vendors. What's more important for a manufacturing is something like a bill of materials. So the system has inbuilt capabilities to generate or create its own bill of materials. And again, on the bottom part of the screen is where you bring in all of the items that should be part of this particular bill of material. And all of that is searchable indexed fields where you just type in the item code, and the rest of the information about the item, especially the description of the item and things like that, will fall into place, and you just type in the quantities that are required for this particular bill of materials. You can also see the sales process. As part of the sales module, if you will, we have included a lot of sales reports which can be generated right from the system. You can review the sales on a particular period of time for a particular region, for a particular stock area, and you can create your own price list. You can product price sales. So there's a lot of sales reports that are already part of the system. And as I mentioned earlier, beyond what you have as part of the system, what we can also do is basically create your own reports, create your own custom reports, which can also be accessed right from here. Same is the case with your inventory. You can manage your complete inventory out of the system, and it also supports various inventory management processes and your costing methods. You could be doing a first in, first out, last in, last out, whatever is inventory process that you follow, and also it supports serialization of items. It supports manufacturers' serial numbers. All of that can those mandatory or standardized inventory features are included as part of the system. And then further from there, you can generate a lot of inventory reports for various product lines, various locations, various stock registers, and then beyond that, you can always have your customized report that we can help you as part of the implementation process as well. So just a little peek into the system as a whole. Like I said earlier, we'd be more than glad to schedule one-on-one individual demonstrations of the entire product with our specialists who can specifically answer the questions that you may have about specific aspects of the application, and then we can address those questions for you. So with that, let me talk a little bit about a couple of the case studies about companies that are using this system. First of all, I'd like to talk about a medical glass tube manufacturer who has, they have both domestic as well as international market presence, and they're a leading glass tube manufacturing in the borosilicate glass tubes, which are used for healthcare. So the challenge that they had is they needed a complete enterprise application that would satisfy their unique operational requirements, obviously, and then addressing various aspects of their business from supply chain management to procurement, and then managing the production as well. We're talking about raw materials, which is glass, and then accounting for the various manufacturing process or the production capabilities was one of their challenges. And this is one of the companies that I mentioned briefly earlier, who had a lot of different unique processes that they wanted to keep, but at the same time they wanted a solution that could help them keep those and still get them an integrated solution. So what we did for them is we implemented our solution for them, and it was the web-based ERP that we developed for the client, and then we were able to accommodate all of their core functions and operational requirements for that glass manufacturing industry. At this point, I'd like to mention one thing. When we started developing the system, or the key ingredient to the system was the human capital that we had. What I mean by that is our business consultants or our business analysts were part of our ERP team, are people who have several years of experience working in the manufacturing industry. So that's where they started, and they have that experience on how a manufacturing industry functions, and then that's the experience that they brought on board with us and helped us build this application. So we're not talking about technology consultants who just built a solution and then pushing it down the manufacturing industry. What we're talking about is having on board the expertise of consultants who've been part of the manufacturing industry and then moving on to building a solution like this. So in this particular case, the outcome of having used our system or using our system was they were able to reduce 30% of the licensing cost incurred in purchasing multiple software systems. And this is what I was telling earlier, that at the end of the day, when you have an integrated solution, apart from all of the benefits that solution brings to you in terms of its transparency, in terms of its integration, and in terms of the efficiency it brings into your users, it also saves money in your licensing costs, because you're not talking about having different systems and different operating systems and different databases and so on. You're talking about one system, which obviously will reduce the cost. And beyond that, it improves their efficiencies, and then it was, in this particular case, the customer was able to access the ERP using smartphones and other mobile devices as well. Now, the second customer that we'd like to talk about, it's again from the glass industry, but they manufacture glass sheet. Incidentally, a glass sheet would become the raw material for the customer we spoke about earlier, who manufactured glass tubes. Now, here, the most complex thing was the raw materials. So this company, again, was a leading glass manufacturing company working with various industries like automobiles and pharmaceuticals and so on and so forth. They also had a research and development facility which they wanted to bring on board as part of the same system. So the challenge here was that they were unable to track the inventory. Obviously, I mean, the raw materials that came in were in an entirely different quantity or a unit of measurement as compared to what the final product is. And there would be a lot of business, manufacturing processes that would have to account for the raw materials and the transformation of those raw materials to finished goods, and they could not find a solution that would help them do that. So the legacy system that they were using was missing the metrics-based reporting function when it comes to the data or the usage of materials. And the data was not extractable from the system, and it made it completely impossible for them to get critical sales reports out of that system as well. So again, we implemented our system, and it helped them bring all of these together. The multiple business activities were integrated, including the supply chain management, financial accounting, inventory, purchasing and sales, and all of that. And also the solution focused on streamlining their business processes right from inventory and procurement all the way to production and sales, all in a synchronized environment. Now, here again, the final outcome of the system was that the web-based application that we had help them access the system from any location whenever they want, made their users or help their users get to a more user-friendly environment, and then at the end of the day, the entire manufacturing processes was streamlined and integrated into a single environment. So there's a lot of benefits that each one of these businesses, especially coming out of multiple disintegrated or disparate systems into an integrated solution. So that's generally the benefit of an ERP application. Now, how do we come into the picture is a couple of things. One, our expertise working with manufacturing industries, and number two, how the system has been developed, or how the system has evolved over the years with that experience and a right mix of the industry experience and the technology. And then the third thing is our unique pricing models, and our unique licensing models as well, which completely eliminates a user or a business who are the users of the system getting into a never-ending licensing tangle which is the case with the other systems that are out there in the market. And beyond everything else, what it does is it brings seamless transparency into your business, because you have access to information from various parts of your business right in this single system that will help you run your business, as opposed to you running a system in terms of these multiple systems on the online. So with that, I'd like to invite any questions that you have at this point, and we can go from there. Manish?
Yeah, Shri. First of all, thank you very much for sharing the presentation with us all. I'm sure our audience must have enjoyed listening to you as much as we presenting it to them. Some of our audiences have sent me a few questions which they want to ask you. So the first question coming to you is, what all reports can you generate using your ERP, and how would it help in bringing more transparency in the organization?
Okay. So first of all, the system comes with a lot of reports that are inbuilt. I mean, which are pretty much standard reports that you can think about in any system of this scale, starting from your sales reports to your inventory reports to your obviously the accounting reports, and then the production. All of those standard reports are available in the system. I think we have a few hundreds of reports that are already available in the system, which is standard with the product. And then beyond that, as I mentioned earlier, there can be customized reports as well. When I say customized reports, it need not always be generating a brand new report. Well, that's possible as well, but you can also change the way an existing report is decided. You can change the way it looks. You can change the terminologies or the headers, whatever. However, I mean, you've come across industries where people call a bill versus an invoice, and use that terminology interchangeably. So for that reason, all of the tags in the report can be changed as well. Now, how does it bring transparency? That's the beauty of an integrated system, because you're not running between one system to the other in terms of how the data is coming into a report. All of the information that goes into a report is basically coming from the same system. So that's the most important thing when it comes to transparency. So you're not looking at your CRM or an Excel spreadsheet where you keep your customers' information in terms of how much of a sales has happened for a particular region, or who is your highest paying customer. That in some cases that might be sitting in one system versus, so if you want to take an example, would be who is your highest paying customer in a particular region for a particular customer. You're talking about 3 different data points there. As long as you have all of these 3 different data sitting in one system, it's not possible to get a consolidated report. So if you get that information to one single report, that is where the transparency comes in.
Okay.
Manish?
Yep. Well, the second question is, what size of companies is this ERP going to help?
Well, it's this. I mean, first of all, this is not particularly targeted for any specific size of businesses, but obviously this works best for small to mid-sized businesses. I'm talking about companies with even 5 employees using it to a couple of hundred employees using it. So that gives an approximate range in terms of what size it works best. Of course, this is not something like an SAP or an Oracle where you can have thousands of users at the same time, but at the same time there's no lower limit. I mean, even if it's a 1 or 2 person's company, this would be a good fit. So really there is no particular size, but as a whole it best fits the small and mid-sized businesses.
We have one more question coming in from our participant, Abdul. Abdul, I am unmuting your line. You can go ahead and read out your question.
Okay, thank you, Manish. Actually, I just wanted to ask, is that system is capable of managing accounts, branch-wise accounting? Let's say if in one company has remote locations depending on their business requirement, if they have branches, can you hear me?
Yeah, go ahead. Yes.
Okay. Yes. I just want to ask, is this system is capable of generating reports based on branch financials?
Absolutely. You can have multiple locations. You can have multiple entities within the same business. Now, when it comes to the accounting part, we do have accounting that is part of the system, but in some cases we have come across customers who want to use their existing accounting system and then bring in something else for the rest of their businesses, like inventory and purchasing and things like that. So in that case, we can integrate with their current accounting systems as well. Now, coming to your question of managing the accounts, yes, we can have multiple entities that are part of the same implementation, meaning you can have multiple branches and you can run reports based on those individual branches as well, no matter which aspect of the business you are talking about. You can run sales reports, you can run financial reports, you can run inventory reports, all based on different branches and locations. No problem with that.
Okay. And one more question. Actually, how many currencies can we integrate on this system?
Well, at this point, it is we are talking about only one currency, one base currency, which is US dollars. I mean, for the North American version, we are talking about only US dollars. If you want to integrate multiple currencies, then that will be a customization that will need to be done, but we can do that. So we being the publisher of the software itself, we can have that customization done for you if required.
Thank you.
Well,
Thanks, Abdul.
Yeah, thank you, Shri. Well, that brings us to the end of this wonderful session. I hope all the audience must have found it useful listening to our experts. For any further information or query, please feel free to send your emails